Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to get your Payoneer virtual card. First off, for Payoneer to give you the actual option to create your card, at least $100 would need to go through your account in the last 6 months. So if that's not the case with you, I would advise you to transfer over some funds to your Payoneer account. Also, before we start, if by any chance you still don't have your Payoneer account created, you can use my link from the description below to register, and by doing so, you will get $25 for free after registering. So, let's get started. First, you would need to log in into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're here, you can select to which one of your accounts you would like for the card to be connected to. I will go with the US dollar one and press Order Card. Now you can select if you wish to order a physical or a virtual card. I will go with the virtual one and I will click Next. And right here you can select your card currency. I will stick with the US dollars and click Order Card. After a few moments, you should see this screen confirming that your card has been ordered.